Have you ever dreamt of living a tranquil life under the warm Mediterranean sun? From breathtaking coastal towns to charming hilltop villages, southern Italy offers a perfect blend of history, culture, and beauty. In this video, we will explore the 12 best places to live or retire in southern Italy, each offering a unique lifestyle, affordable living, and a warm embrace of Italian culture. So let's dive into the heart of southern Italy and discover these hidden gems. Make sure to subscribe to our channel. Number 12. Province of Potenza. Nestled in the heart of the Basilicata region, the province of Potenza is one of Italy's hidden treasures. Known for its rugged mountainous terrain and timeless lifestyle, Potenza offers a unique rhythm that harmonizes with its natural landscapes. This area boasts medieval castles, national parks, and historic towns, making it a perfect retreat for those seeking tranquility. Property prices here are some of the lowest in Italy, with a mid-sized house or villa costing between $50,000 and $100,000. The cost of living is very low, with most residents spending less than $800 per month. However, it's less developed, and English isn't widely spoken, so basic Italian is essential. Number 11. Province of Foggia. Situated in northeastern southern Italy, the province of Foggia blends cultural richness with diverse landscapes. Its capital, Foggia, is a vibrant urban center, while the surrounding areas offer fertile plains and charming coastal towns along the Adriatic Sea. Life here is a mix of rural tranquility and urban dynamism, making it an attractive destination for retirees. With affordable housing and fresh local produce, the cost of living is lower than in northern Italy. The province's Adriatic coastline offers scenic beauty and renowned seafood, providing a rich cultural and culinary experience. Number 10. Province of Matera. Another gem from Basilicata, the province of Matera is famous for its unique cave dwellings, known as Sassi. Its capital city, also named Matera, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, offering a captivating urban landscape carved into limestone. Life here combines cultural richness with modern amenities, and the cost of living is moderate, around $1,000 per month. While English is spoken to some extent, learning Italian is recommended for a smoother transition. Matera's charm and affordability make it a great option for those looking for a distinctive living experience. Number 9. Province of Reggio Calabria. Located at the southernmost tip of mainland Italy, the province of Reggio Calabria offers a stunning combination of sea and mountains. With over 100 municipalities, its terrain includes thick woods, coastal cliffs, and ancient torrents. Reggio Calabria's capital city is a major transport hub, with connections to Sicily and beyond. The cost of living is very affordable, making it an appealing choice for retirees. Whether you're looking for prime real estate on the coast or budget-friendly options inland, Reggio Calabria provides a peaceful lifestyle in a picturesque setting. Number 8. Aeolian Islands. Also known as the Lipari Islands, this volcanic archipelago north of Sicily is a paradise for those seeking serenity and natural beauty. With 7 islands, each offering unique features, the Aeolian Islands are renowned for their sheer cliffs, turquoise waters, and sandy beaches. Despite attracting many tourists, the islands maintain a sense of peace and comfort. The cost of living is under $1,000 per month, making these islands an attractive option for those looking for a high standard of living in a stunning Mediterranean setting. Number 7. Taormina. A hilltop commune on the eastern coast of Sicily, Taormina is known for its Roman architecture, historical landmarks, and breathtaking views of the Mediterranean Sea. With a calm vibe, sandy beaches, and a great year-round climate, Taormina offers a charming lifestyle at an affordable price. The average cost of living is around $800 per month, making it an excellent choice for those seeking history, beauty, and coastal living. Number 6. Province of Palermo. As the most populated and wealthiest province in Sicily, Palermo combines historical sites with a bustling atmosphere. Its capital city, also named Palermo, is a vibrant hub for expats and international visitors. With its rich tapestry of historical and scenic sites, Palermo offers an affordable cost of living, with expenses estimated to be under $1,200 per month. While job opportunities and salaries might be lower, remote workers and retirees will find great savings and a high quality of life in this region. Number 5. Cagliari, Sardinia. Located on the southern coast of Sardinia, Cagliari is the island's capital and largest city. Steeped in Phoenician and Roman heritage, Cagliari offers a blend of cultural richness and laid-back island living. The city is known for its bars, quality restaurants, festivals, and beautiful beaches. Although the cost of living is slightly higher, it is still affordable compared to mainland cities. Cagliari's balanced mix of history, natural beauty, and modern amenities makes it an attractive destination for those seeking a vibrant lifestyle. Number 4. Province of Lecce. Situated in the southeastern part of Italy's peninsula, the province of Lecce is known for its diverse landscapes, including coastal areas along the Adriatic and Ionian Seas. Dubbed the Florence of the South, its main city features Baroque architecture, historic monuments, and vibrant cultural scenes. With affordable living costs and a welcoming international presence, Lecce offers an enchanting experience for residents. Number 3. Bari, Italy. As the second largest city in southern Italy, Bari is a major economic center and a bustling port city. Its historical gems, lively streets, and seaside promenade make it an attractive place to live. The cost of living, including rent and amenities, averages around $1,500 per month. Bari's robust transport network and proximity to European destinations add to its appeal, making it a hub for exploration and connectivity. Number 2. Salerno. Known for its coastal beauty and gateway to the Amalfi Coast, Salerno combines a bustling city life with the relaxed attitude of southern Italy. With a population of 135,000, the city offers natural landscapes, outdoor adventures, and a vibrant cultural scene. The average cost of living is around $1,200 per month, making Salerno an appealing choice for those seeking a mix of urban life and Mediterranean charm. Number 1. Naples. Naples, located in the southern part of Italy, is a city brimming with cultural and historical significance. As the third largest city in Italy, Naples is often considered the capital of southern Italy, boasting a rich tapestry of art, architecture, and culinary delights. The city is known for its vibrant street life, stunning coastal views, and a historic center that has earned a UNESCO World Heritage status. Its proximity to iconic landmarks, such as Mount Vesuvius, the Amalfi Coast, and the ancient ruins of Pompeii, adds to its allure, making it a fascinating destination for both tourists and residents alike. Despite being one of the largest cities in Italy, Naples is notably affordable, with average monthly expenses generally below $1,500, depending on the neighborhood. However, it faces challenges such as high unemployment rates, making it less ideal for job-seeking expatriates. Nevertheless, for remote workers, retirees, and those seeking a Mediterranean lifestyle, Naples offers a unique blend of historical charm, vibrant culture, and a relatively low cost of living, making it an attractive place to live and explore. Whether you're looking for a vibrant city life, a peaceful retreat, or a beautiful coastal town, these 12 destinations provide a perfect blend of affordability, culture, and natural beauty. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Let us know which southern Italian gem you would love to call home. Until next time, arrivederci.